Today I'm going to teach you how to avoid neck pain while you're exercising. My name is Roxanne Meldrum and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. Please like and subscribe as this really does help my small business grow. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you to Hampshire Hills for letting me film in their awesome gym. There are several potential causes for neck pain while you're exercising. I'm just going to go over one of them today. It's the easiest to address and probably the most important. It's your alignment. Let me demonstrate by doing a single leg deadlift. When you do a single leg deadlift, your chest needs to stay open, your ears, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles stay in line. As you execute the movement, it's important that your head stay down and not pop up with every repetition. And just like we want our knee to stay in good alignment and not cave in, we want our pelvis to stay in good alignment and not rotate. And we want our spine to stay in good alignment and not round as we do the exercise. We want our neck in good alignment to build strength and good posture in this position. When we look up for each repetition, we are asking our neck to do some pretty challenging work in full extension, which can cause some pretty big problems. Also, if you do 3 sets of 10 on each legs, that's 60 times that you're looking up in a row. And again, that can be painful. Better to maintain that good alignment with your ears, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles in line, where your neck is good and strong in that neutral position and you're reinforcing good posture. Maintaining good alignment helps avoid abnormal shear and load in the discs and joints in your neck, protecting them from injury. Let's look at another example. A side plank is another great exercise where we tend to lose our good alignment. You want to avoid letting your head dangle or tucking while you're trying to really hold that good position. You want your ears, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles in line down the side, and your nose, your sternum, and your pelvic bone in alignment in the front. Only hold the plank for as long as you can maintain good alignment, otherwise you risk injury. Maintaining good alignment isn't just important while you're lifting weights. When you're riding a bike or running or on an elliptical or a stepper, make sure that you're staying up tall and reinforcing your good posture. As you get tired, if you start to lean forward and let that head come forward, then your head's going to start bouncing in this forward head position, and that can be really hard on the joints and structures in your neck. Only ride for as long as you can maintain your good alignment. If you're struggling with neck pain, please check out my other videos for exercises and tips to help you find some relief. Thank you so much for listening.